How to enable auto-renew for domains in Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on Hostinger, where we'll show you how to easily enable auto-renewal for your domains. Auto-renewal is a feature that automatically renews your domain registration before it expires, ensuring that your website remains online and accessible to visitors. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable auto-renewal for your domains in Hostinger. To start, log in to your Hostinger account and navigate to the Domain section. From there, select the domain you want to enable auto-renewal for. You can do this by clicking on the domain name or by using the search function to find the specific domain you're looking for. Once you've selected the domain, click on the settings icon next to it. This will take you to the domain settings page, where you can manage various settings, including auto-renewal. To enable auto-renewal, scroll down to the auto-renewal section and toggle the switch to the on position. You can also set a specific renewal date and time if needed. That's it. With auto-renewal enabled, your domain will automatically be renewed before it expires, ensuring that your website remains online and accessible to visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger tutorials and tips.